Yo, men can be beautiful too. See, there are certain tricks you can be doing. These are the tricks that celebrities are doing, that the models are doing. We work with so many of them that it gets to a point that you start seeing like a lot of these people aren't just accidentally beautiful. They're not just accidentally good looking. You got to put in work. And today, boys, I'm gonna show you that work you're gonna have to be putting in. I'm gonna give you 6 beauty tricks for men that you should be implementing that I promise you will change how you look. Let's go. Number 1, this hack is great when you're on a whim using body lotion as hair gel or a hair product. See, I don't care how good looking you are. I don't care how much you spend on your clothing. If your hair's a mess, it's never gonna look good. You need to have a product that can control your hair. And lotion does just that. See, what lotion is great at is managing the frizz and actually keeping control of your hair. What happens with your hair is, especially when you don't apply a good product or you don't have it hydrated, the cuticles of your hair start opening up, looking for moisture from the outside environment, and that's what gives you that frizzy, crazy look. Well, lotion, it's specifically designed to seal in moisture. So if you apply it right outside the shower, you're gonna lock in that hydration so your hair is not gonna be looking for it. It's gonna stay frizz-free. To do it simple, grab a little bit. You don't wanna go overboard. You wanna apply it as soon as you step out the shower and then just style as you'd like and let it air dry or go for heat and you're gonna be looking like a 10. Number 2, you wanna fill in the beard with mascara. Look, a beard on men, it's like makeup for women. And why not use a little bit of makeup to boost it up a little bit? There's nothing sus about this. Look, obviously my number 1 recommendation is to always work on growing your beard, eating right and using the right supplements to get to that point. But it gets to a point that naturally you'll always have like these little weak areas in your beard that you can easily level up to make your beard look more balanced with using makeup. Now, of course, if you want that dark, good-looking beard, you only want to touch up here. You don't want to put in too much because then it's just going to look fake and like you just painted it on. Number 3, wear frames. Yo, this is the easiest thing you can do. Structured frames add balance and symmetry to your face. As soon as you throw it on, your face looks more structured. They also make you look smarter. Well, see, if you want that good-looking beauty hack that you can wear 24/7, you're gonna wanna wear something clear, like blue light blockers. I always recommend blue light blockers because not only are they functionally protecting your eyes from the damage that blue light causes, but they're also a pair of frames that you can wear day and night, indoors and outdoors, and you can continually benefit from that effect of looking more structured and overall better, more attractive, more beautiful. See, if you don't have a good pair of blue light blockers, I want you to check out our Prism collection. Our Prism collection from Jade Black. We take all our main glasses that you guys already love and we design them with that blue light blocking technology and the lenses. It uses the same high quality Italian acetate, the same high quality stainless steel construction. Our frames, when you feel the heft and the quality of them, yo, they feel like $400 designer glasses. And don't just take my word for it. Go to the site, check out the over 5,000 plus customer reviews. These people aren't lying. All these people are saying the same thing. These are quality frames. And if you want a quality frame that you're not gonna break the bank, yo, Jade Black, 49 bucks, and you have a pair of frames that make you look smarter, I got you covered. See, I want you to look good 24/7. And if you've never seen the effects of this, you need to experience it firsthand. Matter of fact, click the link down below. Go through our wide selection of our Prism collection. Just see how many designs we have. Pick your favorite one. Just pick one. 49 bucks. There's nothing to lose and your entire beauty to gain. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, get into a steam room. See, I enjoy doing this, especially after a killer workout. You get into a nice sauna or steam room, you kind of just sweat it all out. But here's the thing, not only is it a good recovery mechanism, it's also great to make yourself look better. It's a hack that a lot of good looking people use. See, when you get into a steam room, you're basically detoxing your skin and your pores from all that dirt, all that grime, all that buildup. On top of that, that hot steam promotes blood circulation, which then boosts your collagen. So in other words, you do this all the time. It's not only healthy for your muscles to help you recuperate, it's also healthy for your skin. You step out with vibrant, new looking skin every time you step into a sauna. Number 5, use vitamin C. Vitamin C is a natural antioxidant that's going to protect your cells from damaging free radicals that you get from UV exposure. It also helps that melanin production in your skin to lighten out hyperpigmentation or dark spots. That way you have a nice, even skin tone color. So to look like a model and get that perfect skin, you're gonna wanna grab packets of vitamin C. You can buy them, they're super affordable. You can get it at your local grocery store and then mix it with a little bit of water in a spray bottle. Then when you're doing your nightly routine, that you do everything, you've washed it, you've exfoliated, done the whole nine, just add a couple sprays and go to sleep. Test this out for just a week of going to sleep. I promise you, when you wake up in the morning, your skin, it's gonna look vibrant. And finally, number 6, I want you to moisturize your eyes. We already know the importance of moisturizing your skin, right? Like all of us understand you need to moisturize your skin. The problem is that most men aren't focusing on the eyes. Yo, this is where people connect. When you're having a conversation, this is where they're looking at. You wanna make this look as good as possible. You make that look good, everything else in their heads, they're gonna think it's gonna look great. And to make it look good, you wanna avoid dark eye circles. You wanna avoid the bags. You wanna avoid those fine lines and wrinkles. The best way to do that is by moisturizing. This is why buying an under eye cream is so important. See, under eye cream is specifically designed for the skin under your eyes. This skin is fragile, it's thinner, which is why you get to see that blood circulation and those pools of basically blood collect under your eyes. So to avoid that and to fix that, to make your eyes look more vibrant, you wanna come in with an eye serum. This serum will usually have some sort of eucalyptus or cooling effect that will bring back that vibrancy, keep the elasticity, and minimize dark eye circles and bags. And overall, you, my guy, have now just been beautified by your brother. That's it for me today, guys. Those are 6 tricks you can be doing to make yourself look better. That's it for me today. See you next time.